Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and guess what? It's my birthday, May 18th, yay! I just wanted to come on and say hi and show you my birthday look. Yes, it's different, look at that. I love it. I had saw this wig, it's a wig. I saw it months ago, and I only worn a wig in my entire life one time, and that was like many years ago. But I was passing the beauty supply store and I saw this, I think sometime in February, and I really liked it. I was like, I would love to do that with my hair, but I really wouldn't want to cut my hair. And so I said, you know what? Let me buy this wig. I mean, I had it, I bought it, and then I just put it aside. I'm like, I'm pretty sure there'll be a day when I could use it, maybe for a dance, a video shoot, something. So I was like, I woke up today, I was like, you know what, I don't feel like doing my hair, I'm gonna put a wig on. I was like, I could put this wig, and look, it's like a mohawk style, and I decided to get red, and then the sides are black. I hope you can see it. OMG, I really just love it. I am loving it. So I'm gonna go out and celebrate my birthday. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. You know, first and foremost, I start off my day with prayer, and last night I just sat down and prayed and analyzed, you know, years of my life, and you know, just trying to take inventory of what's going on, what I need to let go, what I can do more of, things like that. Self-improvement, self-empowerment, self-sufficiency, or whatever. But it doesn't hurt to have a new look every now and then. Yeah, you never know. I've seen some other wigs that I like. I know, right? I never thought that I'd be like wigs, but I really like the short wigs. Like, I don't want long, like, I'm not doing it to have length or things like that. I just like a change of style, like these funky, edgy, short type of wigs, and you just get a whole new look, a new feeling, and I like it. So if I see a couple more short ones, which I did, like cut in styles with different colors, I am definitely willing to try for my new year of life. I'm trying some new things. Yeah, so this is the look for my birthday, and what I have on is this beautiful bodysuit. It has applique on the shoulder, so it's mesh here. Then I have like my pink bra underneath, but it has the applique, see, on the arms, V-neck right here. And then I just have some pants on, some slacks. Yeah, all black with pink, and my red hair, and these earrings I got from H&M with the leaves. Yeah, so I am loving it. So I'm gonna go enjoy my day. Maybe I'll vlog a little bit later, let you guys know what I did. I did get some vegan goodies. I'll share that with you a little bit later, but I wanna go out and do what I gotta do, take some pics, enjoy my day. Bye bye.